So hey everyone, this is me Vishal, and in this video we are gonna learn about for each array method in JavaScript. Yeah, so let's start it. So I made here array which has some numbers around it. So if I tell you about for each array method, so it's basically used if we wanna means do something where if we wanna get means all values of this array one by one. Like if I let me just use it over here, like array dot for each, and then now we can now again we here we get callback function in which we can pass three arguments: element, index, and array. You all may know this very well. So I can name this as item. I just want one right now, which is item. I don't want index, so I don't need to write that right now. So now if I just log here item and just open my terminal, yeah, I'm doing it in Node.js, which gives us a runtime environment. And if you don't know about Node.js, so you can comment on this video so that I'll make a video on it too, that how I did this. So let me just run node index.js. So now here you can see the array had three elements, 10, 4 and 20 numbers. So it has console all these, means that it is getting them one by one. So it's basically if you wanna just do something with all the elements in it, it's used a lot in production. Like there's some, like let me make an array sum 0 and just do here sum plus equals to item, sorry, not 0. So if I just log here sum, and let me just first log here sum, and you can see it is just added. Now you may have seen my reduce array method video, so you may say that we could even do this with reduce, but that's not how it works. But it's basically used a lot in production. So, and there's one thing still I wanna tell you, that you may have seen my map array method video. If you haven't seen that, you can just watch it out, and it will help you a lot to learn understand for each. So in that we were also getting each element of the array, but it was returning a new array, modified array. This is not, for each doesn't return anything. Like if I just do here nothing equals to, and just put it over here and just some console nothing, you can see it's undefined. Means for each returns nothing. Map array method returns a modified array. Understood? Like that. So if I just return here, let me just return here item. So you can see still it's undefined because it doesn't work on return keyword like that. If you wanna just make a modified array, you can just work with for map array method, and if you wanna get all the elements and do something with them, then you can use for each. So that was all about it, and if you got value from this video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like my video. Thank you.